Step one to a flawless, poreless finish is skincare, which plays a crucial role in minimizing the appearance of pores. I use a retinol stick, and it's from Amazon, and I simply use it all over my face in critical areas like under my eyes, my nose, get right in between the cheek and my nose. Everyone has such a different face shape. Your features and the setting of your features are so different. I know I need a retinol stick that minimizes pores in order for me to have the best results when I'm putting on my makeup. And I even take it down here to my neck. It helps with discoloration, even out my skin tones, I personally find. So I get that even one canvas look. So the next thing I do is take a foundation brush, and while it's setting into the skin, I simply help it make sure, no one side gets more than the other side. Really get it in. Make sure it's helping with puffiness is also a issue that I experience, and I wanted to share with you. And so this also, to me, addresses puffiness. It closes those pores and really creates a very nice, sleek, mattifying base for the part where I'm definitely going to put in that liquid to powder foundation formula. And this retinol is simply just from Amazon. It has no name. I took a chance, I purchased it, and it works, and I repurchase it. See how now there's minimal under eye circle. It's all looking very one canvas, one flawless canvas. And my discoloration is not so obvious, but that will be addressed. And so I'm just gonna finish. If you see me looking left and right, it's because I'm looking into my mirror to make sure that I get it all. And definitely, so the outcome will be justified in terms of the points I'm trying to relay about this step-by-step process to a poreless finish. I know on camera, to me, it's looking very shiny, but it's matte. It's not oily. It's not that greasy. And now that I'm finished with that first part of step one, I'm going to take and use this gel-based primer, like the Invisible All Matter from Black Opal, can also help create a smooth surface for your foundation. And I'm going to use my fingers to just simply get it on, get it all over the face. And also take it down to my neck to really help unify the tone and color between my neck and my face. Now I'm going to take that same foundation brush and really help get it to be as even as it can be. Let me look in the mirror to make sure I'm getting it all. There. Boy, is it looking shiny on camera, but I promise it's matte. It's mattifying. It's matte. There's no, real shine or grease on my fingers. All right. So now that that is done, I'm going to get into step 2 regarding the foundation. Step 2, I then now apply my go-to foundation, which is the Black Opal True Color in the shade Truly Topaz. I take the same foundation brush and really, as you can see, this is my favorite foundation, Truly Topaz, because I have hit pan and I'm using it good to the last drop. Trust me, I'm getting all of that on my brush so you really can see. I'm showing you everything so you can really see that how I work to achieve and how you can also achieve using Black Opal products. A flawless poreless look. So I'm really working to get that in there. I am not going to highlight and necessarily set the under eye in this video because I just want to showcase regarding a flawless poreless finish. Now, I have moles, so you may not have moles. So your results may certainly be different from mine because you don't have that extra concern about moles. But regarding my flawless finish, it helps to kind of mask the moles. And really get that in on the side of my nose. Really get that going. See how just nice, smooth. Everything is just going on so smoothly. Really look to. I turn my head because I'm looking in my mirror. I'm looking in my mirror. I want to make sure that, and you know what? Some people rate when makeup artists and complain that they put the foundation on the ears, but your ears are part of your face, you know. Your ears are a part of your face. So if, depending on your style, you would need to, put a little foundation, not all up in your ear, but you would need to include your ears so that you really try to blend so that everything will turn out good. Now, it may appear for some people very yellow on camera, but once we add the powder, it adds that extra, you got it together. All right. See, now this is flawless. For me, this is flawless. Even my eyebrows are still nice and dark and not caked. This is the benefit of that process. So let's get on to step 3. Step number 3 is using the Companion Black Opal powder foundation in Truly Topaz, the Companion foundation. And what I do is just take a little bit and get on my neck. And areas that I think still need, some better blending. Again, I'm turning away because I'm looking in the mirror. And this brush is from Japanese. Let me see if I can get it good, the name of it clearly in the shot. Japanese. And I got it at TJ Marshalls. I got it at Marshalls. And I've had it for some time, and it's just so wonderful, easy, not prickly, doesn't hurt my skin. All right, now that is done, I like to give it a moment so that it all sink in. Right before the final step, I take my new Real Techniques double-sided sponge. I'm not a big sponge person, but when I purchased this from Real Techniques, see, the pink is for powder, and the orange is for liquid and liquid to powder foundation formulas. Now, what I've found is that in regard to getting your pores minimized, this particular brand of sponge really has helped me get my makeup as even as possible. Even though the pores have been minimized by the retinol, which is just one simple skincare step, I simply pat it in so that I take off any excess and really get up under the eyes. So that creasing is minimized. That's also a thing. Not only poreless, being poreless and flawless, it's also ensuring that there's a little chance of the makeup creasing. Yes. There. Now, with this sponge, as I stated, it's two-sided. So you can hold the thing with your finger and pat it in like this. I like to hold it just like so, like that, and really pat it in. And that makes me more secure that I've done a good job of really patting it in so everything, blends into the skin and everything looks unified and it looks like my skin and less likely like I have makeup on. So as I stated, this pink is for powder. So now I'm simply just, as you saw, I just simply flipped the band. And now I'm going to apply a setting powder that can enhance longevity and provide a smooth, even finish. My go-to product is the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Pressed Powder it significantly reduces the appearance of my pores and helps, once again, my makeup blend smoothly. And I really pick up product. And as you can see, this is a favorite product of mine because look, I am looking at hitting pan. I'm not necessarily doing a pan what I call a pan marathon, but it's starting to look that way for sure, because the process works. And I haven't even discolored or obscured my eyebrows. They are still full and fluffy. But that's a conversation for a different day. So now I'm just getting my neck to try to match the tone so it oxidizes all together. I wanted to see how to really get it to minimize creasing, minimize your pores, so that your makeup is exactly the way you want it to be, see? Especially in areas like your chin and things like that. And especially if you have mature skin. And also if you suffer with puffiness. I've noticed that, especially here, the puffiness has certainly been minimized. So what do you think? I like it. I like it. And once again, I truly do use this product because look at that big hole that you're seeing in the middle. So I use this product. Yes, I do. And finally, achieving a smooth makeup application involves good skincare, getting your pores minimized, getting that base face ready to accept your creative makeup application. So if you faced these challenges before, in the comments, let me know, what are your go-to products in order to minimize your pores? I am glad that you tuned into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out other tutorials in my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.